And getting you some breaking news, Kerala Chief Minister has written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the ongoing probe in the Kerala gold smuggling case. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has alleged that top investigative agency CBI displayed undue hate. There is now a lot of pressure mounting on Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan as far as the Kerala gold smuggling case is concerned. And having seen the latest developments that are taking place in the case now, the Chief Minister has written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and has alleged that the top investigative agency, CBI, has displayed undue hate because there has been growing pressure on the Pinarayi Vijayan government as far as the ongoing investigation in the Kerala gold smuggling case is concerned. And certainly feeling the heat now, Kerala Chief Minister has written to the Prime Minister. And I'm going to quote what the Chief Minister has said. He says, and I quote, "The investigation started in July and some of the former employees of the UAE Consulate, Thiruvananthapuram, were arraigned as accused in the case filed by the Customs Department." He also goes on to say that the state government wanted the investigations to unravel the chain of events, starting from the source of the gold smuggled to its end use. The NIA also started investigation on 10th of July in addition to the inquiry by Customs, and later Enforcement Directorate and the CBI also entered the scene. But the inquiry by the Enforcement Directorate was initiated on the basis of the case registered by NIA. Later, it turned towards commission and kickbacks paid by contractor of housing project in Thrissur district. So that is what the Chief Minister is saying in his letter to the Prime Minister. And my colleague Ashwin also can perhaps explain the contents of the letter in detail. Certainly the Kerala Chief Minister, the Kerala government can feel the pressure as far as this ongoing investigation is concerned. Take us to the contents of the letter, please, Ashwin.
This letter is of it's of great importance because it was when this investigation, when this case came out about gold smuggling, the Chief Minister himself had written a letter to the to Prime Minister saying that let all the agencies come and find the truth. So based on that, all the agencies had come. Now this agency's investigation has so far reached the door of CMO office itself, and right now, as we speak, the additional private secretary to Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan himself is being questioned. Now, the letter also specifically says that the agencies are doing undue haste to ensure and to put the government in a bad light. Now, especially in the case